Oi everybody, Juliana here. Welcome back to BakeCookTravel. In today's episode, we will be making a delicious and very easy Brazilian recipe, Joelhos. Joelhos are like a Brazilian pizza roll and can be found in Brazilian bakeries, especially in Rio de Janeiro. They can be a very tasty snack, breakfast, and if you are making them small, they are great for parties too. The Portuguese word joelhos translates to knees because the shape that you roll looks like a knee. Yeah, it's a funny name. It's a delicious bread-like dough rolled, usually filled with ham and cheese. And I will be doing pizza flavors, but really, you can do any flavor you want. You will usually find them in ham and cheese and pizza flavors in Brazil. This is a Brazilian recipe you will be running to make. So, vamos, let's bake! Let's get started with the dough. For this dough, you can mix by hand, but I really recommend using a mixer. It will save you about 15 minutes of hard work, and also use a scale. To the mixer, add 500 grams of bread flour. You can use just all-purpose flour if you want, but bread flour will give you a better final texture in the dough. 7 grams of soft instant dry yeast, 5 grams of sugar. Give a little mix. 80 milliliters of milk, 80 milliliters of water, both at body temperature. 35 milliliters of oil, 35 grams of soft unsalted butter, 1 whole egg and 1 yolk. 3 grams of salt. I like to add the salt for less because it can kill the yeast. Mix all the ingredients for 5 minutes on low speed. Change to medium speed and mix for 10 minutes or until the dough is smooth and you can see the test window for gluten formed. For checking, get a piece and roll a bit and open it like this. If it doesn't break, it's done. Place the dough over a table and forming a ball like this, add into an oiled bowl and proof at room temperature until doubled in size. About 40 minutes to 1 hour. It depends how warm your kitchen is. Now it's time for you to drop a like if you're enjoying this video and make sure to subscribe to the channel if you're new here for more amazing delicious recipes. For the pizza fillings, we will be using 200 grams of mozzarella cheese, 3 medium diced Romano tomatoes, some dried basil, and salt and pepper to season the tomatoes. This is for the first flavor. For the second flavor, you will also need about 30 pieces of pepperoni, again mozzarella cheese, and also some basil. For both flavors, we will make a mix of pizza sauce and cream cheese. This is an original take on this recipe by me. You can find the recipe for the pizza sauce in my stone oven pizza video. I will leave the link below. Mix 100 grams of soft cream cheese and 1.5 tablespoons of pizza sauce. Use a whisk until nice and smooth. After the dough has doubled in size, open the dough over a floured table using a rolling pin. Open it into a rectangle. Giving a gap from the edge about 7 centimeters, make a line and add the cream cheese and salsa mix in a 10 centimeters space and make another 7 centimeters gap. And make another line. Use a dough cutter or scraper for it. You can even use a knife. Repeat with the second piece of the dough. Add 100 grams of mozzarella, spreading it nice and even. Add the tomatoes on top of the cheese, season with salt and pepper, and add some basil. Repeat with the second piece of the dough, but now with our second flavor, 100 grams of mozzarella and pepperoni on top. Line up the pepperonis so they will be nice and even in each bite. Add the basil. Roll the first gap, covering just the filling, and pressing to seal it. Cut the middle line to divide them. From the other side, roll the second gap over the first and seal it. Turn the whole thing, keeping the sealed part under it. Trim the edges to make them even. You can make smaller rolls from the edges. Cut 5 rolls into equal pieces. Place them over a tray with parchment paper and proof for 30 minutes more. Make an egg wash with 1 egg and 1½ tablespoons of milk. Whisk until well combined. After proofing, brush some egg wash on top. And some pepperoni if you like. Bake them at 450 Fahrenheit for 15 to 20 minutes or until golden on top. They should be nice and golden, soft on the inside, and some cheesy coming out. Actually, lots of cheese. You can put them together and cut when it starts to set, and it will be just perfect. The bread dough is very soft and light, and the filling very creamy and cheesy. It's just crazy delicious. These incredible joelhos are muito bom. So good. They are so easy to make. Family and friends love them. And you can add any flavor you want, and they're great for any occasion. What's not to like? Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Bye! Hey guys, thank you so much for watching. If you liked this video, make sure to drop a like here. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe here. On BakeCookTravel, we always bring the best food adventures and food recipes. If you'd like to see more food recipes, click here. And for more food adventures, click here. See you in the next video.